Good morning students. St. Elizabeth School, Anjar. Standard 7th. Subject Maths. Chapter 5. Lines and Angles. Topics to be covered in these chapters are line segment, line, ray, intersecting lines, parallel lines, complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angles, transversal, angle made by transversal, transversal of parallel lines, let us understand first of all what is the line segment. Line segment has two endpoints. Here line segment AB given. What is the line? A line is defined as a line of points that extends infinitely in two directions. Here line AB is given. Means there is a difference between the line segment and line. It's a line can be extends infinitely in two directions. But the line segment has two endpoints. It's a fixed points. Ray. A ray is a line with a single endpoint or point of origin that extends infinitely in one direction. And in the ray, it can be extended only in one direction. Intersecting lines. Two lines meeting at a common point are intersecting lines. Let's understand with example. Here the line AB is given and line CD. Both the line intersecting at the common point at O. Means these two lines are the intersecting lines and here O is the point of intersection. Now what is the parallel lines? Two lines in a plane are parallel if they do not meet when produced infinitely in other direction. Here the line AB is given. Then here line CD is given. If we extend these two lines in any of the direction, they can't meet to each other, then these two lines it's a parallel lines. So here we can say that AB is parallel to CD. Now let us understand what is the complementary angles. When the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree, the angles are called complementary angles. Here two angles are given. One is ABC, another is DEF. The measurement of ABC it's a 60 degree. In the measurement of DEF it's a 30 degree. Now if we add these two angles, measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle DEF is equal to 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles. Now in this, each angle is called the complement of the other angle. Two obtuse or two right angles cannot be complement of each other. Now let us understand complementary angles. When the sum of the measure of the angle is 180 degree, they are called complementary angles. Here two angles are given, angle ABC, angle DEF. The measure of angle ABC, it's a 120 degree. The measure of angle DEF, it's a 60 degree. Now if we add these two angles, the sum should be 180 degree. Measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle DEF is equal to 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now just remember some points for the supplementary angles. Each angle is called the supplementary of the other angle. Two acute or two obtuse angles cannot be supplement of each other. Because if two acute or two obtuse angle we are taken, then the addition of these two angles, it is not 180 degree. So two acute or two obtuse angle cannot be supplement of each other. Two right angles are always supplementary because right angle is 90 degree. So if we add these two angles, 90 plus 90, the addition of these two angles, it's a 180 degree. So two right angles are always supplementary angles. One acute and one obtuse can be supplement of each other. Find the complement of each of the following angles. One angle is given 20 degree. One is given is 63 degree. Now we already learned what is the complementary angles. Complementary angles means the addition of two angles, it's a 90 degree. If one angle is given and we have to find out the another angle, then we have to subtract it from the 90. So the complementary angle is equal to 90 degree minus given angle. So for the first one, complement of 20 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 70 degree. Now complement of 63 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree is equal to 27 degree. Let us find the supplement of each of the following angles. One angle is given 105 degree and one is given it's 87 degree. We already learned what is the supplementary angle. It's the addition of two angle, it's a 180 degree. So supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree minus given angle. So supplementary of 105 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. Now the supplement of 87 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree is equal to 93 degree. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. We have already learned what is the complementary angles and what is the supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Here the one pair is given 65 degree and 115 degree. So how we find out that it's a supplementary or complementary? We have to do the addition of these two angles. 65 degree plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree. So the addition it's a 180 degree. We can say that it's a supplementary angles. Here 63 degree and 27 degree. Just add it. 63 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that these are complementary angles. Third one, 112 degree and 68 degree. Add these two. 112 plus 68 is equal to 180 degree. So, these are supplementary angles. 130 and 50. Add these two. 130 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. So these are supplementary angles. 45 degree, add these two. 45 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree. So here we can say that these are complementary angles. Find the angle which is equal to its complement. What is the complementary angle? The addition of two angles are 90 degree. Here we don't know the measure of the angle. So just assume it's a x. Let one of the two equal complementary angle be x. Now the addition of two angle, it's a 90 degree. So x plus x is equal to 90 degree. X plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree divide 2. So, x is equal to 45 degree. Thus, 45 degree is equal to its complement. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse and right? So for the first one, no, because sum of two acute angle is less than 180 degree. Because we know supplementary angle means it's the addition of two angle, it's a 180 degree. If we take both the angles acute angle, so the addition of these two angles, it's less than 180 degree. For the obtuse, no, because sum of two obtuse angle is more than 180 degree. For the right, yes, because sum of two right angle is 180 degree. The next topic that will be discussed in the next video. Thank you.